Welcome to United by Trucks. Today we're unboxing the ACCUAIR air management for UBTK5. Alright guys, so we told you in the intro that we got the air management in. We've got some stuff from ACCUAIR that we are super fortunate to be running on UBTK5. So we're going to get into this. We're going to show you exactly what the new ACCUAIR E-Level Plus looks like. We're going to try to give you a description of what it feels like and just give you an opportunity to know a little bit more about this setup. Why don't we jump right in to what's in these boxes? So got to give a big shout out to ACCUAIR for sending us these components for the air management for UBTK5. We're, like I said, super duper happy about having these quality components for the K5. So the first thing we're opening up here, as you can probably guess, is one of my favorite things that ACCUAIR has put out to date. This is their endo CVT tank, compressor, and valve setup. Hey Mike, you want to come give me a hand with this? This thing's a little heavy. You guys know Mike. We just got in this new shop together, and Mike knows all about air suspension. So we're going to take a pretty good look at this thing and see what all this is about. So one thing you'll notice right off the top is we had this one gray Cerakoted, so it would match a lot of what we've got going on the K5. So I think that's a pretty nice touch. So one thing that is already standing out to me is the kind of packaging that this stuff comes in. They give you an instruction manual. You got a full diagram of what's happening in and around the tank. Full-blown instruction manual, color. So endo CVT, compressor, valve, tank in the gray Cerakote. And then we've got probably some sort of hardware here. Let's open this up and check this out real quick. So in the box, you got the endo tank drain kit. We've got some hardware here. Looks like the wiring harness. So you've got all your ports here for your air lines, your electrical. So that's pretty cool. What is that, Mike? That looks like a...
This is an Allen socket.
I bet it's a very specific, whoa.
It is engraved with the ACCUAIR logo.
Oh man, that is pretty trick. Well, you know ACCUAIR is known for not only building awesome quality products, but their packaging, their branding, super legit. Let's open up this box, see what's in here. So Mike's gonna be helping us get this installed, which is probably not gonna be too terribly difficult since you've got everything contained right here in the tank. Next thing we've got is their e+connect. It is built off the E-level technology, accurate, reliable, and has an unbeatable entry-level price of around 400 bucks. So if you're looking to get into some ACCUAIR air management, this is the way to do it. So this is the e+connect. This is the brain behind the system. Let's see what else we're looking at. So what do we have here? Yeah, so the e+height. So this has 3 programmable heights. Basically, this is akin to their E-level, but what they're now calling the E+height. So you've got all the sensors to set your settings based on ride height. So whether you want 1 to be all the way down, 2 to be ride height, and 3 to be, your speed bump height or something like that. In case you need to get over something in an emergency, you can set these to where you want them on the system. So that's a pretty cool thing right there off the top. Finally, we've got the e+touchpad, which I think is a really cool thing and something that I have considered in the past, either having a touchpad or running it off of your phone, because I know ACCUAIR has an app. But this is the touchpad. It's got a magnetic surface that makes it easy to mount, compressor status indicator, and a cable designed so that you will never break it. Man, ACCUAIR has absolutely killed it with this setup. So just to recap, we've got the endo CVT tank, which is the compressor valve tank setup. We've got the e+height plus, which is essentially akin to their E-level sensors. We've got e+connect, which is the brains of the operation, and then we've got the touchpad. So this is just a really cool setup, and we're really excited to get all of this put on UBTK5 We've got it sitting right here, and we've been talking about how we're gonna mount the tank. We're actually thinking about mounting it to the side of the frame. So I've been talking to Ernie over at ACCUAIR about how to get that done. I think this is just gonna be a bulletproof system and something that is very easy to get together, get wired up, get plumbed, and have the flexibility that we need in our air suspension. So big thanks to ACCUAIR for partnering with us on this particular build, and we're just really, really fortunate to have these parts and really excited to be partnering with ACCUAIR. So thank you guys. Mike, you ready to get started installing this stuff?
Heck yeah, man.
Let's do it.
I've used ACCUAIR products for a long time. They make the best.
I think we got the best of the best right here.
Heck yeah, man.
Sort of like Christmas. I mean, this looks insane. Goodness. This is that endo CVT, man.
Oh, I
So you got everything inside here, your compressor, your valve, everything.
Pretty cool. I've never seen one of those.
You just buy the tank, and then you can upgrade as you go along to make it a C. Everything is full. Everything's no valves, no compressors, except no external. They're all internal.
Have you watched the videos on how quiet this thing is?
Oh yeah, yeah.
If it was me and I had this unit, I would mount that crap right in the back and then bulkhead down.
Thank you so much for tuning in to the unboxing of ACCUAIR's complete new E+ air management system. We are super excited to be running this on UBTK5, so big thanks to ACCUAIR for believing in us and sending us over their new stuff. So Mike and I are going to get this installed here in the next day or two, and we're going to show you what it's like on the Blazer and out on the road. So hope you guys stick around for that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Definitely leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about ACCUAIR's new E-level E+ system, and we'll catch you next time right here on United by Trucks.
Cue the music.